Welcome back. As I said, this is the second video where we're gonna try and fix the film, anti-glare film on this MMI screen. Now I went to Audi dealership and they quoted me £1,000 to fix this. But I found a solution. I'm gonna use Maguire's PlastiRx. It normally is for headlights, and you should not use this if your film is okay. I'm gonna use this to actually remove the film. So one of the disclaimer is, please don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing, or if you damage anything, it's not my fault. I'm gonna do this on my own risk. If I'm gonna damage something, it's on my own accord. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a microfiber towel, get some Maguire's, shake it well, and then apply. Actually, I think it's because it's brand new, it just came out. I think it has a seal. Yes, it does. Now, to actually view this better, come closer, to see the damage, the extent of the damage. Is it visible? Yeah. So it's quite bad. Now, I'm a perfectionist, so I don't really like to have anything remotely close to that into my car. And I'm a car guy too. And I get very annoyed when something is scratched or it's not looking as it should. But £1,000 is a bit way above my budget. So I paid for this £12 on Amazon Prime. Came next day. Okay, not too much, there's no need. And then I'm just gonna moisturize it in there. And also when I'm gonna do this, there's no need for pressure. All you gotta do is actually do it very nice and slowly. Yeah? So let's see what's happening. I can see it working already. It actually removes the film, so it removes the anti-glare film, so I will not have that anymore. But the bright side of this is that it's not going to look the way it used to. It's actually going to be quite shiny, to be honest. Okay, this is what you have so far. As you can see, it's removed all of that. There's a little bit here. So we're going to keep going until all the screen is going to look like this. Okay. Drop something in there. There's no need for pressure. You got to do this slow and easy. It's going to take some time. I'll be back with the result. Right, so after around 20 minutes, this is all nice and ready to go back in. Let's have a look at the sun. This is what we have left. Can you see it? Like this. It's actually so clear that you can't actually see anything anymore. So let's put it back together, see if it still works. The process is the same as you take it out. Let's plug the radio in. And if I've damaged something, we're gonna see it together. Plug that back in. Let's put that in. Let's see. Okay, that's so much brighter as well. Oh wow, it looks actually very good. Let's go to, let's see how can we, oh, I'm liking this. Let's have a look. Yes. Let's have a look. There's a couple of songs here. We don't want to get any problem with the YouTube. So yeah, looks good. Yes, I'm very happy. So we have success. The screen looks amazing. Have a look. It's actually not shiny, it's still a matte finish. It's actually darker than before when it's closed, but brighter when you use it. So let's have a look how it looks. There you go. And this is how you save £1,000 with a £10, not even £10. We only used not even 10 pence out of that ball, and we fixed the screen.